guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this pepper soup. It's super simple and it goes by very quickly, so don't blink. So without further ado, let's get started. We're going to start by preparing our spices. In my blender here, I have 1 white onion, I have half of a leek, I have 1 spring onion, also I have 1 stick of celery, some ginger, and also garlic. And you do want to cater this to the amount of pepper soup that you're making. Since I am making a very large batch, I am using a lot of spices here. And then I also added in some habanero pepper. Since this is pepper soup, you do want to use spice. Here I'm showing you some native spices. I'm also going to be adding, if you do not have these, you do not have to use it. But moving on, I'm just going to add water to my blender so I can blend up my spices, and I'm going to blend this up until it's nice and smooth. Make sure to get this as smooth as possible because you do not want any chunks in your soup. Then I'm going to blend up my native spice. I've just added a little bit of each into my blender here at the bottom. And before blending this, since these spices are dry, I'm going to add 1 habanero pepper to this and some water just to ease the blending process. And once again, you're going to blend this very smooth as possible because you do not want chunks or bits of spice in your soup. And once blending is done, I'm straining out my spices once again just to remove any larger chunks or bits that did not get blended. And I'm just going to use the water from the spices in the soup. Now I'm going to put everything together. I am adding in my meat that I had previously boiled along with the stock. All I did was season this with some salt and Maggi cubes, nothing special. And since I am making a large amount of soup, I added in some more water. And then I'm going to add in my blended spices and I'm going to stir this up. Then afterwards, I will add in my pepper soup spice here. Then I'm going to add in 3 more bouillon cubes. Definitely taste the soup before you add in more seasonings. You do not want to over season, but season to your taste if you like that. I added in some salt and then I'm just going to mix, and that is literally it. Then I just covered this and let it boil for 25 to 30 minutes on medium heat. And that's it. All you do is just put everything in the pot and let it cook. And about 25 minutes in, since my soup was done, I added in some chopped spinach. This is optional, but I added in just to give the soup a little more dimension and color so it wouldn't be just flat and plain. And that's about it, guys. This recipe is super easy. All you literally do is just blend all your spices, boil your meat, and put everything in the pot and let it cook. And here is my finished meal. I added some ripe plantains to this and it was very delicious. Guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed my content, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.